Hey, I'm going to show you how to make a slide super cheap. What I do is, what I did was I went to a hardware store, got a length of tubing. I actually got, I don't know, 6 feet or 4 feet, whatever, of this tubing. And it's just copper, like plumbing pipe. And its diameter is, I don't know, a little over 3/4 of an inch or so. I just tried out a few to see what fit on a finger and felt right. So you get that. You grab one of these little pipe cutter things. This was, I don't know, $9 to $10. The pipe is like $3 or $4 for like I said, 6 feet or so. So you measure about 2.5 inches or so. So yeah, like about that. Doesn't really matter. Whatever you think is right. So you put the little pipe cutter on, you tighten it up. So what it does is it has like little wheels here and then the cutter here. So you tighten it with this, and can you see how it scores the metal a little bit? Okay, so you spin it around like that. You tighten it a little bit more. Spin it a little bit more. Tighten it a little bit more. Spin it a little bit more. And it keeps cutting in more and more as you tighten it. So with the pipe cutter and the pipe, there's probably, I don't know, $15 into it or something. And I have made these for students all the time. I've made them for friends. I've made a couple for me. And you end up making a slide for, I don't know, like, it works out to be like $1 per slide. And it only takes a couple minutes to do. I do it over a cardboard box to catch all the little shreds of metal. So the edges tend to be sharp. So you just take a little bit of sandpaper and sand the inside edge. And I like to sand the outside edge just a little bit to take a little bit of that kind of sharp corner off. But then we have a metal slide ready to use. And it has the writing and stuff. I also like to take some fine grit, what do you call it, steel wool, and just kind of buff the outside. It gets a little bit of the corrosion off because copper corrodes fairly quickly and gets the little writing off of it. So it just looks like a copper metal tube. And that's what you do. Cool, huh? So here it is. All shiny and ready to rock. There we go. Lovely.